So here we're looking at a 12-piece outer diameter of 25 millimeter, 1 inch, diamond coated saw blade wheels, cutting disc. So these are great to keep around the house or even in your garage for doing cutting jobs that are small, that you don't have to take out the big grinder. And this is super compatible with all sorts of Dremel type tools, and whether they're high powered plug-in models or USB powered wireless models like I have here. And this cutting blade, which is diamond coated, is suitable for cutting tiles, soft metal, glass, ceramic tiles, wood, rock, plastic, gemstones, etc. And it works with most rotary tools. So it's packed up really nice. They're very well protected in the plastic packaging. I like the fact that it comes with 2 shafts to complement the wheels. You don't have to rely on the shafts of your cutting Dremel tool kit. So you are going to have extra. And it comes with the washers. Everything you need to do to just install it into your cutting rotary tool, and you're ready to start. So you would be ready to go with doing all those small jobs that would need a diamond cutting wheel. Now I'm tackling this very dense metal nail, and it's doing a good job. I'm just hand holding it, so I'm not being able to put any pressure on it, but this is a very hard metal, so imagine what it could do to soft metals, ceramic tiles, wood, and other plastics. So this is an ideal tool to keep around. If you know, you know, and it's always great to have spares around. So buy this with confidence. It works well, and you will not be disappointed.